I wanted to ask you a couple of questions. One, I know that you've had 2 cataract surgeries.
Yes.
Okay. And you mentioned the fact that you had one surgery in your right eye done several years ago.
Yes.
And then you had the second eye done following that.
Yes.
Several years ago after that.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, when you had your first eye done, which I think was the right eye,
Correct. Mm-hmm.
what was the quality of your vision? How has that changed when you had that crystalline lens put in that right eye, the first eye?
It was amazing. My vision was hazy. It looked like it was smoky all the time everywhere I looked out. And with the first lens, it cleared that up dramatically. Plus, my vision improved to pretty close to 20/20. I didn't need any correction in that right eye. And between the year and a half that I've had the right eye done to the left eye, I was having more and more difficulty accommodating. I was starting to feel a little off balance. It wasn't clear. It was still hazy. And I was having more and more trouble reading and really trying to focus everything that I was doing, both close and far away. And with the new lens, this was about a week and a half ago it was put in, everything's crystal clear. The haze is gone, the smokiness is gone, everything looks clear now.
So what I'm hearing is when you had the right eye done, which is the first eye,
Right.
it was clear. But then when you had the second eye done, not only was it clear, but you were better in balance,
Yes.
would you say?
Yes, my depth perception is back completely. Everything is crystal clear now, and I can see the leaves on the trees. It's amazing. I can see everything that.
So not only was
missing.
the contrast improved, but your 3 dimensions were
Yes.
of your world were improved.
Of everything, correct.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. Well, tell me, how your vision was before you had your cataract surgery and before.
About 15 years ago, I had LASIKs done. And prior to the LASIKs, I've worn glasses since I was 5. And I had no distance vision at all. My glasses were thick, like Mr. Magoo. And I couldn't even, walk across the floor without seeing. I couldn't see the carpet. So after the LASIKs, my vision was so bad they couldn't correct me to 20/20. So I was still wearing glasses. But that was a dramatic change for me, the LASIKs.
So you're telling us that even though you had LASIK done, there was only but so much cornea that they could reshape.
Yes.
To try to get your vision to improve a little more.
Yes.
But you still needed glasses.
I still needed to wear glasses.
But the prescription was less.
Oh, dramatically less.
Dramatically less.
Yes.
So after you had the LASIK, which was, it improved your vision, quality of vision.
Absolutely.
Okay. So then
I would recommend LASIKs to anybody who wants to do it if they're a candidate. It was fantastic.
Were you scared?
I was scared, and but it was I have to tell you a story. It was kind of neat. I sat down in the chair to have the LASIKs done, and everything looked like a big haze of colors and all. And I sat up, and I saw there was a clock on the wall that I didn't know was there, and I could read the clock. It was that dramatic. That was pretty amazing to me.
So even with LASIK, the quality of vision was enhanced.
Yes.
And then you compound it later with the use of an advanced technology lens, 15 years down the road, when the technology in ophthalmology has improved.
It has.
The quality of vision is just perfect? Or
It's perfect. It's 20/20.
That's an excellent story.
Yeah.
Excellent story.
Yes.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Thank you. You too.